Okay, design concept-wise, right, we want it to be luxury because my client is actually working with a hotel line. So we still want it luxury, but not too over. So we still like the simple colors, but we still need some areas to be pop.
Actually find the kitchen is very dark and very small. We hack down the wall and actually bring it out by 2 feet, and we use glass finish so that the kitchen will look much brighter and ample of workspace for the owner. Our owner like to drink liquor and wine, so actually we did a very special cabinet for him where he can display his liquor and keep all the wine glasses inside.
Storage is always an issue. All these children, they do have a lot of books and so on. So we need to create a lot of storage space for them, where we can find under the bed, full height, top hung cabinets, as many as possible, so we can hide the things away.
During this project, the owner let us free play with our ideas and creativity. Thanks to the owner for trusting us so that we can get this overall effect out.